Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jamie and I make cleaning and organizing videos every Sunday and Wednesday. We are a military family living overseas in Germany. So if you'd like to stay and get motivated, grab your coffee, grab your rag, and let's get into it.
We escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell.
The drawer you see me looking at right now came with our home. I can't recall if it was meant to be used for recycling or compost, but I don't use it for either. I just store some other things in there that are meant for the home that we don't use so they don't get lost. Something gross had fallen in there, so that's why I decided I needed to pull out my gloves for this job. But my gloves are like 3 sizes too small. I don't know what happened, but I have purchased new gloves since this video, but if you see me struggling to get them on or off, that's why.
We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lack, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again.
Under the kitchen sink is probably one of those areas that we neglect, so we hope this motivates you to get yours tidied up. Ours actually isn't too bad. It has mostly cleaning products spilt down there. I mean, it doesn't look nice by any means, but that just is the territory of a rental. There's only so much I can do. So in a previous video, I said I wasn't a product hoarder, which looks like was a lie, but actually I've just been repurchasing a lot of things on the German economy that I now have in an American product, and I just want to make sure that I'm getting the best product and the best price when that product runs out. And also, I mean, guys, we're in the middle of a pandemic. Things are still not easy to come by, so when you find something that you want to try or find something that you know you're going to use regularly, I tend to pick it up. So this is definitely not an innovative tip, but in case you didn't know or aren't doing it, you should definitely store your cleaning products inside a plastic bin or a waterproof bin. It just really saves on hard work later when your products leak or rust. And I know under the sink is kind of a weird area to find things that fit, but if these look like they would work for you, they are from IKEA. I think that I got them here, but I'm sure they sell them at IKEAs across the world.
No, I wouldn't change anything. I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love, and feeling alright. And let's talk about love.
So while I'm letting some cleaning products soak inside here and still on the stovetop, I decided to run to the grocery store and get some groceries. And I just wanted to share what I got for around 30 euro, which give or take is between 30 to about 40 US dollars. I went grocery shopping basically because we needed some of like staple products, and it wasn't like it's not a big grocery shopping weekend, but we were running out of some staples. So I grabbed some bread, some more bread, And then some sliced cheese, which as you can see is quite a bit, and it was definitely less than €2. Ooh, something in here is spilling, and I think it is soap. Oh, that spilled. This is, well, I shouldn't actually say what it is because I'm sure I should probably Google Translate it first, but I think that it's bubble bath. I remember buying something this large, and it was the brand Dove, but it was in German, and I thought it was just a really large body wash, and I was like, wow, that's good price. And then I realized when I got home it was body wash, so I bought this near where, like, body wash doesn't come this large in Germany, I realized, so if it's a bottle this large in that area, it's like bubble bath. So I hope, oh yeah, it smells good, but it is leaking, so I'm gonna rinse that off. Sorry if my dishwasher is loud, it's right below here, and we're just trying to get stuff done today. And then I know the reflection of my window, but the rollodens are down, and that's what we do during the day to keep the sun out. And the reason it works is because German houses are like concrete buildings, so just you're supposed to open your windows and open your rollodens during the night and let the cool air in, and then before the sun rises you're supposed to close all your windows and close the rolladen, and then the cement buildings will keep the cool air in. And to be honest, it really works. So anything under like 80 degrees, I don't even notice. We don't have air conditioning. Lately it's been in the 90s, and it has been a little stuffy in our house, I'm not gonna lie. I prefer to sit in front of the fan or just not do a whole lot. Like, it's really hard to work out in our basement when it's in the 90s. But otherwise, there's really no need for AC in Germany, and so I understand why they don't have it. I got iced coffee, which I definitely didn't need, and it's probably around €1 a can, and it has soap all over it, so I'm gonna rinse those off too. And then the Lenore, if you saw in a previous video, I had bought some and used it as fabric softener, and it was in fact fabric softener, and I do like the scent, and it's about €1.50, so I'm gonna keep purchasing that. Some little hand sanitizers. I just love this brand. Smells good, and I'm about to travel internationally, so I thought I'd get some fresh ones. Got some Arizona peach teas for Francisco that have soap on them. And some toothpaste. It definitely comes in smaller tubes on the economy than American commissary, but I still think it's cheaper, so I buy it on the economy. The longer I live here, the more things I prefer to buy from the German stores. There's still definitely things that I don't believe are cheaper. You can't get like any American products, well, I guess Colgate, but you can't get most American products on the German economy for less than what you can get in America, which makes sense. If it's an international product, which apparently Colgate is internationally sold, then it's much easier. That kind of doesn't make sense, but it makes sense to me. But like things like staples like bread and milk and cheese and all those vegetables, produce, much cheaper on the economy. But also it comes in like much smaller quantities, so sometimes it's just not convenient to buy it on the economy, but I try to save my dollars. Sorry, I'm way taller than where this tripod is angled right now. And I got some penne pasta to top off my penne container, some mozzarella cheese. We were running low on things like cheese. Honestly, I'm not sure what kind of cheese this is, but I don't think it's mozzarella. So, I don't know, but I've never tried a cheese I don't like, so I'm sure it's gonna be fine. We got some cherry tomatoes, and then some fairy dish soap, bananas, because we always have bananas, and then I got some salad bowls, which don't look like a lot, but just trust me, it is a full meal, and it's just really compact. So that's just one more quick overview, and just to tell you again, I got this all for $35 US. I did the conversion for today, so that's what it will come to.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
products that was causing the biggest mess under my sink was this concentrated Lysol cleaner, and it only had a little bit left in it. Probably most of it was spilled. But so I added it to a sprayer bottle, so now I have a multi-purpose cleaner upstairs and downstairs, and we could get rid of that bottle.
Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we'll just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out, singing like.
There's a spot where I recently melted a utensil and another spot that I just can't seem to get clean. I'm not sure what I need to do to get those spots off.
Party like, freaking out, to the beat, every freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright.
I'm gonna declutter my front closet. Nothing major needs to be done in here, but it is kind of a catch-all space, easy to hide, so we tend to just keep too many things here. And so I'm just decluttering jackets we don't ever use or jackets we won't be using for a few more months, and shoes that we don't use regularly, and just some winter things that I take out later just to make the baskets more functional. I know it's August and winter is right around the corner, but they needed to go. I also store my husband's military jackets in this closet. He actually doesn't wear them very often, but when he does want one or need one, I want him to be able to find it quickly. And between our old military gear and my military gear, it's just kind of a pain searching, throwing things around, looking for the right size. So his are all kept in this closet, and mine are all kept in a different closet.
Talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving, you can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and me tonight. Let's leave now and get undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
So these baskets were definitely organized, but they were packed full of stuff, so I really just needed to declutter and eliminate some of the stuff. Unfortunately, none of it's really things I can get rid of, but just immediate gear or army things that we don't need right here, right now. And I just decluttered a lot of my scarves and hats because they're mostly blanket scarves and they just take up a ton of room. And my husband won't utilize an organization system if it's just too hard to use.
For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do.
Now I'm just decluttering and reorganizing my junk drawer. In the comments, confirm that you too have a junk drawer. If you don't, you're lying. But seriously, if you don't, where do you put your matches? And your super glue? And your pens that don't make it to your office? Random tape? You know, where does it all go?
Stronger than I ever been. I won't get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I won't get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button.
Again.